Hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Sean. We're out here at Front Row Motorsports today, unveiling the number 38 NASCAR. Sean, nice to meet you. Zane.
Zane. Nice to meet you.
It's sick. This is my first time seeing it.
Oh, you haven't seen it yet?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Is this a body that's actually going to be produced?
Have your picture on it and everything.
That's sick. Could I have one of these?
Yeah, definitely.
So I grew up in the off-road industry, which is huge in RC cars. Like, I grew up in Huntington Beach, California, until I was probably about 16, and I raced over at OCRC. I don't know if it's still around, but it was really big when I was younger. Just like short course trophy truck, the two-wheel drive stuff, which just came such a long way. Like, it's insane. Is it on?
Oh yeah, take a risk. It's on 100%. Just let me know.
Definitely gonna have to tone that down on the epoxy floor.
Yeah.
So sick. I feel like it's like the perfect like size for like what I'm doing right here. It's actually insane to like above like how similar it is. Like, you don't really notice this on TV, but in person, like, you get to really see how big like the scoop is there on the fenders on our cars.
Yeah.
Like, we had it right there. You can see the diffuser that we got. That's where all the downforce is made.
Yep.
Right down here. So, see how it has this little scoop right here?
Yeah.
Like, so does it. It's actually like, it's water. Losi, this is race inspired.